Welcome to the Two Become One.
TJ drinking his welcome drink. Hey y'all.
Hey y'all.
As you can see, we made it to our destination and we are in Nassau, Bahamas.
Yep, and we are actually staying at Breezes Resort.
Yes. Beautiful.
Yeah, it's really nice. We actually met with Hedda, and she is actually sponsoring this video. Mm-hmm. She actually let us pick a weekend that we can come out and stay at this beautiful resort.
Yes.
And we chose our anniversary weekend. So we are here now, and we are going to take y'all on an adventure.
Yes.
Show you guys. She actually gave us a tour of the resort.
Yes, she did. And she ate lunch with us.
Yep, she ate lunch with us as well. So we're gonna take you guys to all the spots that she took us, and we're gonna have us a good weekend. So we already ate lunch. We're super full.
Yes.
We just did a room tour. You know we can't go nowhere without doing a room tour. So you guys will see that.
Food was great, y'all.
Yeah, the food was amazing.
Yes, and the view is even better.
Yep. So you'll see that in the room tour. So make sure you check that out. But we're actually gonna go ahead and get dressed. We're gonna put on our bathing suits, and we're gonna go down to this beautiful beach and pool, y'all. And we're about to have fun.
All right, y'all. So we are finally out the room, headed down to the pool area.
We go.
It's time to go.
I know it seems impossible, there ain't no need in drowning in your sorrow.
All right, y'all. So Chelsea got her good old conch fritters.
Yes.
And I have jerk chicken, y'all. This looks so good. And it's a lot, too. So I got jerk chicken and fries. And we sitting by the pool. As y'all can see, they about to do a bikini contest over here. They try to get Chelsea to get into the bikini contest. How the conch fritters? They good? Alright, so we got a little spot. Let's eat, y'all. Alright, y'all, so we just got bingo boards. We about to play bingo. We just ate our food, and now we still sitting by the pool. And they going around. The gentleman right here is going around with the bingo cards, handing them out, and we about to play bingo by the pool.
I-29, B-15, and G.
All right, y'all. So we are walking the beach. There's Chelsea.
Walking the beach.
And as y'all can see, so somebody's on the boat now getting pulled. But we're about to just chill on the beach, and I'm gonna take some pictures of Chelsea, and we just gonna relax, y'all. And we still gonna take y'all along this journey. So we just had our food. Y'all saw that. That food was excellent.
Yeah, we played 3 rounds of bingo.
Yeah, we played 3 rounds of bingo, almost 4, almost 5. We gave up after like the 5th one. So we about to chill on this beach, y'all. Y'all probably can hear this this good ocean sound. And yeah, we'll see y'all in a minute.
All right, y'all. So we are back from the beach, and we laid out and ate a hamburger, a cheeseburger. It was so good from the grill. And now TJ done got in the pool. I think I'm about to join him. Let me show y'all. Y'all see him right there? I think I'm about to go get in. Hey!
All right, y'all. So we are showered up, and we are headed to dinner.
Yes.
We're about to check and see. What dinner they got. There's 3 different restaurants that she told us. 3 different restaurants and then 1 buffet.
Yeah.
So we're about to head down to dinner now. So let's go. Alright, y'all, so we made it to dinner. There's my beautiful Chelsea. What you got?
A Caesar salad and a little bit of pasta salad I wanted to try.
Gotcha. And I just have, it's a little bright, but I just have a little, a Caesar salad with extra dressing and extra cheese. Time to eat. Alright, food came out.
Here's mine. Salmon penny pasta.
Chelsea is not eating the seafood chowder.
It's good.
You like it?
It was the soup of the day.
Yeah, so everybody's leaving. We came in later.
Full. I'm like full.
So it's only us and another family that's over here.
And I think they wrapping up.
Yeah, they're wrapping up and they packing up in the back. So we're just taking in the last little bit of soup, and then we're about to walk around some more and to keep exploring. Right?
Right.
Right.
Alright guys, so that is the end of day 1, and we just wanted to come in and end the vlog with our 3 words. Peace, love, and positivity.
See y'all tomorrow for Adventure Day 2.
Good night.
Good night.